Being a content creator is hard, which can make quitting look really nice. Yet, we still do it. That is, if we don't get totally burnt out first. So in today's video, I'll share with you the 3 things to help you deal with YouTube burnout so that you can become unstoppable as a YouTuber. In every aspect of our lives, there's always people that are better than us at whatever we're doing. And this is especially true for content creation, or even filmmaking, or like photography. And what you have to be able to not do is look at how good they're doing, and then be looking at yourself and just thinking that you're doing something wrong because you're not doing as good as them. And you just have to be able to not do this. Like, take this short, for example. It has 1.6 million views, so I thought, okay, let's make something similar to that. So I made this short, and it has 1,000 views. You just have to be able to not look at it as that perspective, because this will simply just make you feel worse and discourage you for actually making content. And doing this is actually called something called demoralization, which is not what you want to do, especially when you're making content and trying to not quit. Because the only way that you will be able to finish and success on YouTube or any other platform is simply just consistency and never actually stopping. Analytics can be the backbone of every single video that you do by analyzing what you need to do better, what your video is getting promoted to, when you can post, all of these different information that can be insanely helpful in making a video that does better. But what you have to separate from this is constantly looking at analytics and not actually seeing what is important. Like looking at how many views a video has. It may have 0 views, it may have 5 views, it may have 10, or it may have 1 million. You have to be able to just see that and not think anything else of it. Because if you do just see a low view and then, well, not make any other videos, this won't get you anywhere, because the only thing that you can do is just make more videos. YouTube will not promote you if you don't have any videos, because it has nothing to promote. You simply have to feed the machine, and it is sadly a never-ending cycle, which means if you stop, it will stop. But if you keep going, it won't end, and it will simply just keep giving you videos and keep promoting. And although the growth might be super slow in the beginning, it will eventually pick up. Like coming back to this short again, there's nothing else similar to this on my dad's channel, which is actually who it is. And this short has gotten him 1,500 subscribers and 20,000 watch hours, and it's only 1.5 minutes long. But you see, this is a complete outlier. You have to not just see that and then get discouraged whenever you post another video, maybe even the exact same, and it doesn't do as well. Because really, the only thing that you can do is just not stop. As a content creator, as we've already talked about many times, but the only way to win at this game is to not stop playing. And there's not many ways that you can do this because of getting discouraged, demoralized, or simply just not motivated. So this helps me to just not stop because the entering barrier is very small. I'm working only 1 hour at a time, just setting a timer and committing to 1 hour instead of an entire video. It can simply just trick your brain into thinking that it's something a lot easier than it might actually be. In fact, there's actually been studies done on this, and if you have a time limit or there's just a low entering barrier, you'll actually work better, be more productive, and just get more things done in general, which is the key at YouTube, because if you do stop posting videos or burnt out enough, you won't be able to keep feeding the machine and keep videos going, because then YouTube has nothing to give people. So if you do put these 3 things together, it can help you become unstoppable as a YouTuber. And this is the one important part, because if you do stop, you can't keep going. So by being unstoppable, you'll never quit. So I'll see you in the next one.